Hello alchemists, I'm Aya, your guide to unlocking the best version of yourself. My sister introduced me to one of the most amazing manifestation tool. This tool helped me to manifest a trip to Côte d'Azur, also known as the beautiful south of France, and getting my certificate in leadership, only to name a few. I'm just a regular person, like you, and these secret tools has transformed my life, called vision boards. Yes, you heard it right, vision boards. Those colorful collages of dreams, aspirations, and goals that you've probably seen on Pinterest or Instagram. But there's so much more than just pretty pictures. Vision boards are powerful tools that have helped me manifest my dreams into reality. I started my journey with vision boards a few years ago when I was stuck in a rut, unsure of my direction in life. I was yearning for change, but I didn't know how to bring it about. That's when I stumbled upon the concept of vision boards because of my sister. I was skeptical at first, but I decided to give it a try. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer. My vision board has been a constant reminder of my goals, keeping me focused and motivated. It has helped me manifest my dreams, from landing my dream job to traveling to places I've only ever dreamt of. And the best part is, it's not magic or luck. It's grounded in science. Vision boards work because they tap into the power of visualization, a well-documented psychological technique. They shape our mindsets, influencing our actions and behaviors, bringing us closer to our goals. So, what does this mean for you? It means that you, too, are capable of manifesting your dreams into reality. No matter how big or small your goals may be, a vision board can help you achieve them. It's a tool that can help you level up in 2024. And I'm here to guide you through the process. So, are you ready to create a vision board that will catapult you towards your dreams in 2024? Let's dive in. Before we move on, I want to extend an invitation to you. If you're enjoying this content and want to join me on this journey of self-discovery and manifestation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Aya the Alchemist. By doing so, you'll become part of a community that believes in the power of dreams, of manifestation, and of course, vision boards. We're all about unlocking our potential and reaching for the stars. Plus, you'll get access to more content like this, from practical tips on creating your vision board to exploring other powerful manifestation tools. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button, subscribe, and join the Alchemist community. Now, let's continue to manifest our dreams together. First things first, gather all the essentials you need to create your vision board. Now that we've set the stage, here's your shopping list. Start with a poster board. This will act as your canvas, a space to visualize your dreams. Next, you'll need a collection of magazines. The more diverse, the better. They'll provide you with a wide range of images and words to represent your goals. Don't forget your scissors and glue. These will be your main tools in bringing your vision board to life. Markers will also come in handy. They can be used to write down affirmations or to add a splash of color to your board. And finally, consider adding personal items or photos. These could be mementos that hold sentimental value or images that reflect your aspirations. The aim is to make your board uniquely yours. Now that you have your materials, let's move on to the fun part, designing your vision board. Before we start cutting and pasting, take a moment to ponder on your aspirations for 2024. Welcome to the brainstorming stage of creating your vision board, where we'll dive headfirst into the realm of possibilities. This is your chance to dream big, to let your imagination take the wheel and guide you towards your deepest desires. So let's set the stage for a transformative 2024. Begin by considering the various facets of your life. Let's start with personal growth. Maybe you want to cultivate more patience, learn a new skill, or perhaps you're looking to embrace a more positive mindset. Don't hold back. This is your journey, and every step you take brings you closer to becoming the best version of you. Next, let's talk about your career. Are you looking to climb the corporate ladder, launch your own business, or perhaps switch to a completely new field? Your career goals are integral to your overall happiness, so don't hesitate to aim high. Now, it's time to focus on your health. Do you aspire to run a marathon, adopt a healthier diet, or perhaps dedicate more time to self-care? Your health is your wealth, and a vision board can be a powerful tool in manifesting a healthier you. Travel could be another area of focus for your vision board. Maybe you dream of exploring the cobblestone streets of Rome, hiking through the Amazon rainforest, or perhaps you're yearning for a peaceful retreat in a remote mountain cabin. Lastly, consider your relationships. Are you hoping to foster deeper connections with your loved ones? Or maybe you're looking to meet new people who will enrich your life. The beauty of a vision board is that it's as unique as you are. It's a reflection of your hopes, dreams, and aspirations. So take your time, immerse yourself in this process, and let your innermost desires rise to the surface. Once you have a clear picture of your 2024 goals, we can start turning them into visual representations. Now comes the creative part, turning your dreams into a visual masterpiece. Imagine you're an artist and your vision board is your canvas. Each image, each word you select, is a brushstroke that brings you closer to the masterpiece that is your life. The first step in creating your vision board is arranging your chosen images and words. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to do this. Your vision board is a reflection of your innermost desires, so let your intuition guide you. Begin by placing your most significant goal in the center of your vision board. This acts as your focal point, your guiding star. Surround it with images and words that represent the other goals you're aspiring to achieve. There's a certain magic in seeing your dreams laid out in front of you, isn't there? It makes them feel real, tangible, within reach. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, it's time to get pasting. Use a glue stick or double-sided tape to affix your images and words securely. Take your time with this. Each piece you paste is a commitment to that goal, a promise to yourself that you'll strive to achieve it. As you paste each image, feel free to say a small affirmation or mantra that resonates with that particular goal. This not only makes the process more enjoyable, but also imbues your vision board with positive energy. Now that your images and words are pasted, it's time to add some personal touches. This is where you get to let your creativity run wild. Think of ways you can make your vision board uniquely yours. Perhaps you want to add some glitter or stickers for a touch of sparkle. Maybe you want to frame certain goals with washi tape or add a few inspiring quotes. Whatever you choose, remember that these embellishments should bring you joy and inspire you each time you look at your vision board. You might also want to include personal items that hold significance for you. For instance, if you have a lucky charm or a family heirloom that inspires you, feel free to add it to your vision board. These personal items can serve as powerful reminders of your motivation and the reasons behind your goals. Throughout the process, remember to keep an open mind and a positive attitude. Your vision board is a living, breathing entity that evolves with you. As your aspirations shift and grow, so too should your board. Don't be afraid to add, remove, or rearrange items as you see fit. Your vision board is a reflection of your journey, and just like life, it's meant to be dynamic and ever-changing. Finally, once you've added your personal touches, take a step back and admire your work. Feel the excitement and anticipation welling up inside you. This is your future, your dreams laid out in front of you. And every time you look at your vision board, you're not just seeing a collage of images and words. You're seeing the life you aspire to, the person you want to become. Creating a vision board is more than just a fun craft project. It's a powerful tool for manifestation and personal growth. By visually representing your goals, you're making them more concrete and achievable. You're telling the universe, this is what I want, this is where I'm headed. And trust me, the universe is listening. And there you have it, your very own vision board. But wait, we're not done yet. Now that you've created your vision board, it's time to activate its power. The energy you've poured into selecting images, arranging them, and imbuing them with your hopes and dreams has created a powerful tool. But like any tool, it needs to be used right to truly work its magic. The first step is positioning your vision board in a location where you'll see it often. This could be on your bedroom wall, your office desk, or even as the wallpaper of your digital devices. The important thing is that it's somewhere you frequent, somewhere your eyes will naturally fall upon it throughout your day. Seeing your vision board regularly isn't just about reminding yourself of your goals. It's about creating a constant dialogue between your conscious and subconscious mind. Each glance at your board serves as a subtle nudge, a gentle reminder of where you're headed and what you're working towards. Now let's talk about daily visualization practices. Visualization is like a mental rehearsal. It involves picturing in your mind the achievement of your goals, experiencing the emotions and sensations associated with your success. It's about making your brain believe that your dreams are within reach. Take a few moments each day to stand or sit in front of your vision board. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and picture each goal coming to life. Feel the joy, the pride, the exhilaration. This is not daydreaming. This is purposeful envisioning, a powerful exercise in manifesting your desires into reality. Finally, use your vision board as a motivation tool. Whenever you're feeling low or demotivated, take a look at your vision board. Let it remind you of why you're doing what you're doing, of the dreams you're chasing, of the life you're creating. Let it fuel your determination, reignite your passion, and spur you into action. Remember, your vision board is more than just a collection of images. It's a reflection of your deepest desires, a roadmap to your ideal life. By engaging with your vision board regularly, you're setting the stage for your dreams to manifest in 2024. Congratulations on creating your vision board. You've taken a significant step towards your 2024 goals. That's no small feat, and you should be proud. You've begun a journey of transformation, and that journey begins with a single step, the step you've just taken. Now you might be wondering, what's next? How does this board of dreams and aspirations come to fruition? Well, it's not by magic, even though it might feel like it sometimes. It's by belief and action. The belief in the power of your dreams and the actions you take to make them a reality. Your vision board is more than just a collection of images and words. It's a reflection of who you want to be, what you want to achieve, and the life you want to live. It's a roadmap to your future, a tangible representation of your inner desires and goals. And now that it's in front of you, it's time to bring it to life. Believe in your dreams. Believe in the power of your vision. Believe that you have what it takes to make it happen. This belief is the fuel that will drive you forward. It's the spark that will ignite your passion and keep you going when things get tough. It's the unwavering faith that your dreams are not just possible but inevitable. But belief alone isn't enough. You need to take action. Every day, take one small step towards your dreams. It could be something as simple as reading a book, taking a course, or reaching out to someone who can help you. No step is too small if it's in the right direction. Remember, your vision board isn't a wish list, it's a to-do list. And every item on that list is a stepping stone towards your dream life. So don't just dream it, do it. Take that course, apply for that job, book that trip, start that business. Whatever it is, take action. And don't be discouraged if things don't go as planned. Success is not a straight line. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. But every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every failure is a lesson learned. Every obstacle is an opportunity for growth. So embrace the journey, with all its challenges and triumphs, and most importantly, never give up. Keep pushing, keep believing, keep taking action, because every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams. So as we wrap up, remember this. Your vision board is not just a project, it's a promise to yourself. A promise to pursue your dreams, to believe in your potential and to take action towards your goals. A promise to live the life you've always imagined. Remember, your future is in your hands. Before giving you some points to avoid while creating a vision board, I'll ask you to like the video and comment if you already done a vision board or are excited to finally try one. And be subscribed to the channel to receive more gems on the topic of self-improvement. Even though we've covered a lot about how to create and activate your vision board, it's also important to discuss some common pitfalls that can hinder the effectiveness of your vision board. So let's dive into those. Mistake number 1, being too vague with your goals. Remember, your vision board is a roadmap to your dreams. It needs to be clear and specific. Instead of putting a picture of money with no specific amount, try putting an image of the exact car you want to buy or the exact vacation spot you want to visit. The more specific you are, the more your subconscious mind can help you achieve your goals. The second common mistake is not aligning your vision board with your true desires. Sometimes we get influenced by societal norms or pressures, and we end up putting goals on our vision board that we think we should want, not what we truly want. Remember, this is your vision board. It needs to reflect your authentic dreams and desires, so be honest with yourself. Are these really your goals? Or are they someone else's expectations? The third mistake is neglecting to update your vision board as your goals evolve. Your dreams and goals aren't set in stone. They can and will change as you grow and evolve. So your vision board should reflect that. Don't be afraid to update it, add new images, or remove old ones that no longer resonate with you. Your vision board is a living, breathing representation of your dreams. It needs to evolve with you. So there you have it, champions of the future. By avoiding these common pitfalls, you can maximize the effectiveness of your vision board and accelerate your journey towards your dreams. Remember, your vision board is a powerful tool, but it's just a tool. The real power lies within you. Your belief, your actions, and your unwavering commitment to your dreams. So keep dreaming, keep believing, and most importantly, keep taking action. Here's to a fantastic 2024 filled with accomplished goals and dreams come true. Until next time, alchemists.